Title: Transform your baking game with the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. Opening: Hey there fellow bakers and aspiring culinary maestros. Are you tired of your mixer struggling with dough or whipping up a storm in your kitchen? Well, welcome to the future of baking. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our star, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. Introducing the product, imagine having a powerful, sleek, and efficient companion by your side that can whip up cakes, knead bread dough, or blend smoothies like a pro. That's exactly what our KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer is designed to do. Features: this beauty comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, perfect for larger batches or multi-batch recipes. The tilt-head design allows easy access for adding ingredients, cleaning, and changing attachments. And let's not forget about the aqua sky finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Benefits: with 10 speeds to choose from, you have complete control over your mix. Whether it's a slow start for delicate batters or high-speed whipping for meringues, this mixer has got you covered. Plus, its powerful 59-point planetary action ensures even mixing every time. Use cases: from baking delicious cakes and cookies to kneading perfect pizza dough, this stand mixer is your one-stop solution. It's also great for making pasta, whipping cream, or even grinding meat. It truly is a versatile kitchen companion. Comparisons: compared to other stand mixers in the market, KitchenAid stands out due to its robust motor, wide range of attachments, and sleek design. But don't just take my word for it, try it out and see the difference for yourself. Practical tips and instructions: to get started, simply attach your chosen accessory, place the bowl on the base, lock it in place, and select your speed using the dial. The pouring shield comes handy when adding wet ingredients to prevent splattering. And don't forget to clean your mixer after each use for optimal performance. Comparisons: when it comes to durability, KitchenAid is a trusted brand known for its long-lasting products. Plus, with a wide variety of colors and attachments available, you can customize this stand mixer to suit your personal style. Closing: so there you have it, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, ready to revolutionize your baking experience. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this powerful and versatile mixer will make every kitchen endeavor a breeze. Call to action: ready to upgrade your baking game? Click the link below to order your KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer today. Trust us, you won't regret it. Happy baking!